the start, we realized we've got to have a different approach to fulfill the needs of the supermarkets in regards to quality of our fruit. And that's where our relationship initially started with the product Kelpec on our young vines, to get our vines in production a little bit earlier, at least one season earlier than the normal tendency of 3 years. So what we try to do from plant to first harvest, we try to get it in the region of about 14 months, so that we can get on our second leaf fall our first harvest. And that's where Kelpec, in combination with a lot of other good agricultural practices, we really saw that it's got a niche effect to assist us to get our vines, like we say, on the wire, and with better wood and better growth, that we can go into production at least one season earlier. And that brings down your input cost. Over a period of 2-3 years, we pulled back with certain growth hormones, addressing the berry sizes, and we definitely found that with kelp, growth, berry enlargement in about 30 liters per hectare in a season, we got a beautiful product. What we found over time and on stats, that air freight cargo and shipping cargo, our arrivals look exactly the same. One of the spikes on the sprocket definitely is our relationship and our use of Kelpec within our whole program. Without that spike, the chain would slip, definitely. Year after year, we get in more sound arrivals, and you can see it in our stems, in our berries, that there's an immense difference. What we try to do every year, we build on the data we captured on the previous year, and we try to see where we can just tweak what is not 100%, just try to get it 100%. And when you've got growth, you've got a good balance in your vine. Then you've got the basic platform when you start addressing fruit quality. And that can't happen when you've got a vine that's struggling. In that regard, we can definitely see that the Kelpec does support our growth, and it does support our fruit quality in many ways. And the nice thing about it also, it works in harmony with all our other spore elements and nutritionals that we need to feed the plant and get active in the vine as such. Strong stems, that's not so vulnerable to heat, especially under the nets where we farm, where the humidity can run up to about 60-70% during normal times, and the temperatures can go up to 4-5% higher than on a normal day outside of the nets. You need that bit extra to protect your fruit. And if you go inside the berry as well, when we cut it open, you can definitely see the flesh and the quality of the flesh and the density of the skin, but not in a way that it's too firm or too hard that it affects the eating ability of the fruit. We do see that we get more sound arrivals over time. Our air freight and product that we move through the shipping lines, we get it there in the same quality. So we start using Kelpec in the region of about 5 to 10 centimeters in shoot length. We continue in the region of about 2 to 4 liters per hectare every 14 days. And then as we move into the period after flowering, that we go into berry development, and our focus shift to the preservation of the berries and the preparation of the berries to get a quality fruit there. We move our dosages up and more frequently towards the 10 liter per hectare on a 7-day basis to make sure that we get the correct berry size over time. Quality production is based on the berry size, and then after that, the quality of the berry. Then we've got 2 to 3 applications depending on some cultivars that may differ in the region of 10 to 15 liters per hectare as a berry enhancement and as a preservative of our fruit to keep it nice and fresh and to give it travelability and legs. Income is the best way for us with rising costs, the biggest asset to counter expenses. That's where our quality comes in and plays such a big role in our business. If we get good quality to the supermarkets and we get a good price for our product, it definitely relieves the pressure on the whole supply chain back to the production unit. Some of the costs, it is what it is. There's not much we can do about it. If we can get product enhancement through good quality and something that adds on shelf life to our product. That definitely increases our income. After that, we've got capital income, we can employ more people, and we can expand our business in several categories, either production or on the packing side, and it makes perfect sense. Look, when you've got something that works for you, and you see you get a proper return on investment, then it's not an option anymore. There are certain products that you are not able to calculate. Our return on investment at the end of the day is 100% the outcome of the quality of the product that we present to the supermarkets. And there's certain fundamental actions, and Calpac in our business is one of those. We make a bulk sum on the end of the production season, and we work it percentage-wise in our sound arrivals in our product, and then you just see it makes sense. We can definitely see that we get less handling damage and bruising and internal browning of our product as well. Definitely the use of Calpac contributes in that regard to shelf life. It's got to be a cosmetic looking product. It's got to be healthy at the end of the day. And if you can get those factors combined, you can definitely look at a better income and price on your product. We've been managing to farm successfully on this unit with good suppliers, good relationship, and it's been going well. And we're positive. It's an excellent way to create jobs and to employ people, to skill people in that regard. When you walk into your vineyard, you can definitely see there's a difference between the day before you've applied your Calpac in relation either on its own or with other products. Then you see that 2 days after it. You can definitely see that the plant is reacting. We've got to find a way to move into a more natural, more sustainable way, producing the same quality of fruit, but with much softer products, and that at the end of the day can serve the consumer to deliver a safe and healthy product to their homes and to their families.